So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how to use spool command in SQLPlus and what are the uses of spool command. So basically we use spool command in the SQLPlus to record all the SQLPlus output into a file. So you can save that SQLPlus output in a text file, or you can create a SQL file or any type of file format which you wish. You can save it using the spool command. So we will try to hands on that. So let's try CLSCR. Okay. So for example, I'm using spool command, right? Spool. So you can SQL out, okay, SQL out dot txt. So for example, I'm using a spool command and I want the output of the SQL plus inside this SQL out dot txt file. Okay, so all the stuff we are going to execute inside this SQL plus will going to saved inside this SQL out dot txt file. Okay, so when we enter, the spool gets start. Okay, right? So first of all, let me set lines 400. Okay, right? Call host name for A20, right? Then we will select instant id, then host name, then instance name, right? Then instance role from g dollar instance, right? So this is the output of our select query. Okay, likewise you can get anything like select startup time from g dollar database. So you can get the error also, literally startup time from g dollar instance. Okay, so you got the startup time from the g dollar instance. Okay, let me again do one more thing, to underscore char, then startup time. Okay, year, hour, minute, oh 1 minute, day, month, and year, right? Then year, hour, minute, seconds. So it will show us the timing also in the 24 hours. Okay, from g dollar instance. So you can see here we are getting the timing also. So in this way we can use the spool command. So in the final we will stop the spool. So we will stop the spool. Stop. So how to do it? We can use spool off, right? Spool gets off. So likewise we will exit this SQL plus and let's see that whether our output has been created or not. So you can see that we are getting this file as created on the Linux machine, right? So let's cat it. And you can see that whatever we have executed on the SQL plus, we have recorded inside this cat file. Okay, so in this way we can use the spool command, right? So let's remove it, SQL out.txt. Let's again start CLSCR. Again, let me start one more thing. Select grant read on table name, right? Table name to for example, let's say sort. Okay, grant read on table name to sort from DBA tables where row num less than equal to 5. See, we are getting this, right? So you can save this output to the SQL file also, right? So let's see how we can save this file output to the SQL plus, right? Let's see again, spool to the grant.sql. Okay, we have created grant.sql, right? So now we will execute this and then we can simply spool off and then exit. Now we will cat this grant.sql. So you can see that we are getting all the output of the SQL plus inside this grant.sql. So in this way guys, we can use the spool command to save the SQL plus output to a file. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.